The 15 most useful travel apps for planning your next trip. In our vast age of technological advancement, it feels only fair that we throw out the tedious and time-consuming traditions of travel's past. Instead of handheld maps and a paper trail of travel documents, we should be looking towards a more efficient way of getting around, with the help of the digital world. In a sea of constantly evolving new apps and innovation, we've found the best applications to help you have the trip of a lifetime, all at the touch of a button. Directions and transport. Number 1. City Mapper. Best for the public transport traveler. City Mapper is the perfect all-rounder for anyone trying to get from A to B. The app covers everything, from directions for on-foot wanders, or those braving public transport. With real-time alerts on delays, as well as timely transport alternatives, this app could save any journey from a transport disaster. Number 2. Triposo. Best for ditching the hefty guidebook. Triposo uses a sophisticated algorithm to find you the best places to visit wherever you are going. From unique historical adventures to hidden gems of the food world, Triposo allows you to ditch your guidebook and plan a unique trip catered to you. The first hotel in space could be open for business sooner than you think. Number 3. Lounge Buddy. Best for navigating the airport in style. When traveling for long stretches of time, and across several connecting flights, airports can be a dizzying assault course of gate numbers, tickets and time stamps. Amid the chaos of the airport, travelers can find solace with Lounge Buddy, allowing them access to premium lounges in airports across the world. Number 4. Memrise. Best for learning with the locals. Memrise is a language learning app, made with local, authentic culture in mind. Memrise videos allow you to explore and navigate real-world scenarios with native speakers, as part of its Learn with Locals feature. You are also evaluated in your pronunciation in the app, so you can keep up with local dialects easily. Number 5. Drops. Best for the visual learner. With its playful color scheme and fun visual aids, Drops breaks down new alphabets and spellings into fun and accessible exercises. This is a great app for visual learners who either want a casual way of learning something new, or for those wanting to test out new languages they might not have previously considered. Number 6. Lirica. Best for a unique learning experience. Have you ever listened to a song and easily picked up the lyrics after a few listens? Well, it seems that this same concept can apply to language learning too. Using popular music by Latin and reggaeton artists, Lirica helps users learn Spanish grammar rules and new vocabulary, all through the power of music. Culture. Number 7. Lirica. Best for the sentimental traveler. While traveling, it is important to have moments of reflection, to truly consider the experiences you are having, and the places you are visiting. Lirica encourages this thoughtful, considered outlook on travel, allowing travelers to record audio files and upload photos to create a record of life-changing adventures. Number 8. Triposo. Best for immersing yourself in a new culture. Triposo is your one-stop shop for all things cultural awareness. Before heading off on your adventure, you can select the country you are visiting and download a full cultural guide on everything you need to know. From key phrases, to safety guides, and even Wi-Fi calling from abroad, Triposo offers extensive help to any travel query. Number 9. Globotips. Best for the polite customer. The inevitable dilemma of dining out abroad is always whether or not to leave a tip. Cue the incredibly helpful Globotips, which provides guidance on tips and payments for over 200 countries worldwide, ensuring you always remain polite when tipping abroad. Number 10. PackPoint. Best for traveling light. Packing is undoubtedly the worst part of traveling. Luckily, there is an app to avoid this sense of dread, as PackPoint makes it easy to pack for any possible situation. Using the length of time you're staying, the predicted weather and any planned activities, PackPoint ensures you are packed and ready for whatever happens, without going over your luggage allowance. Number 11. TripIt. Best for the tech-savvy traveler. With any trip, there always seems to be an endless paper trail of documents, confirming every possible detail, in case of any possible situation. With TripIt, you can declutter and organize your documents all under one app, with users able to forward all confirmation emails and tickets directly to TripIt. Number 12. Splitter. Best for the big tour group. When in another country, it can be easy to lose track of costs, particularly in big tour groups. With Splitter, the task of tallying up costs is easy, with travelers able to track who owes what, and who paid when. This app is invaluable to those traveling in groups, and has the potential to resolve any disputes that may arise over who paid for what. It even has an inbuilt currency conversion, providing ease of use for long, multi-destination trips. Number 13. Party with a local. Best for the extroverted traveler. It's common knowledge that the best way to explore a new place, be it a sprawling urban jungle, or a quiet countryside village, is to do what the locals do. So, what better way to explore nightlife than through the app, Party with the Local? Through the app, travelers can match with fun-loving locals looking for a fun night out in their hometown. The app is great for adventurous solo travelers, or just anyone looking for a fun night out. Number 14. Eat With. Best for the sociable foodie. One of the best ways to explore a culture is through its food, so why not explore it with someone who knows it best? On the app, Eat With, travelers can explore a vast array of culinary experiences with local experts, either in a big group of travelers, or in a quiet, intimate setting. The app is great for foodies looking for an authentic experience, with great company to go with it. Number 15. Lirica. Best for the spontaneous traveler. An app that succeeds in providing both fun and convenience, Lirica is great for those looking for something fun to do at short notice. You can tailor your searches to your interests, and can receive alerts to let you know when and where great events are happening. That's all for today. For any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.